Access 2003, Course 19, Lesson 1, Copying Macros. Let's create a copy of the macro Samsung. Click on the macro. On the toolbar, click on Copy. Click Paste. In the new dialog window, enter the copy's name, for example, Products. Click OK. In the database, the new macro Products, a copy of the macros Samsung, has appeared. Access 2003, Course 19, Lesson 2, Deleting Macros. Macros can also be deleted. Click on the macro Products. Click on Delete from the toolbar. In the new dialog window, confirm that you want to delete by clicking Yes. The macro Products has been deleted from the database. Access 2003, Course 19, Lesson 3, Starting Macros. After an action and all its required arguments have been set up, let us see how to start the macros. Macros can be started directly in the Macros Design window. Here, you can control the process at the time of its development. In case corrections are needed, you can make them right there. To start a macro in the design mode, click on the Run button located on the toolbar. The form Products will start, as well as the macro Samsung. You can start a macro from the database main window. Double-click on the macros Samsung. Access 2003, Course 19, Lesson 4, Creating a Macros Group. A group of macros is a separate database object which includes several macros that perform similar tasks and work with a certain database object. Click on the New button on the toolbar. Select Main Menu, View, Macros Names. In the Macros Design window, the new column Macro Name has appeared. In the first cell of the new column, enter Table Products. Press the Tab key on the keyboard. Click on the arrow. From the new list, choose Open Form. In the section Action Arguments, click on the cell Form Name. Click on the arrow in that cell. From the new list, choose Products. The first macro has been created. It opens the tab Products for data entry. Leave one row empty and click on the third row in the column Macro Name. Enter Close Products. Press the Tab key on the keyboard. Click on the arrow in that cell. From the new list, select Close. In the section Action Arguments, click on the cell Object Type. Click on the arrow in that cell. From the new list, choose Table. In the section Action Arguments, click on the cell Object Name. Click on the arrow button in that cell. From the new list, choose Product. The second macro has been created. It closes the tab Products. Click Save. Press Delete on the keyboard. Enter the name of the macro group that has just been created. For example, Products Group. Click OK. The created macros group has been saved. Access 2003, Course 19, Lesson 5. Starting a macros group. A macros group is a database object that includes a group of macros. When starting a macros group using the Run button, only the first macro is run. Let's open it in the Macros Design window. Click on the macro Products Group. Click the Design button. This group consists of two macros, Tables Products, which opens the form Products, and Close Products, which closes the form. Click on Run. Because we ran the group with the Run button, only the form Products has been opened. To run any other macros from the group, go to the Tool menu. Click on Macro. Choose Run Macro. In the new dialog window, click on the arrow. From the new list, choose the macros from the group you need to run. For example, Products Group .Close Products. Click OK. The form Products has closed. Now you can run any other macros from the group.